With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, which of the following cannot give iodometric titrations Ag plus, Fe3 plus, Pv2 plus, Cu2 plus. So we have to choose the correct option. So the solution of this question is, we know that atom in highest oxidation state can oxidize iodide to liberate I2 to liberate I2, which is volumetrically measured by iodometric titration using iodometric titration. This is titration here. So 2I2 to ion is converted into I2. So we know that out of this Pv plus 2 has the lowest oxidation state. So it cannot iodized to I2, lowest oxidation state. So cannot iodide to I2. So this is the answer for the question. Now we check which option is correct. So our option C is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.